Today we're going to do a gluten-free focaccia so that everybody can enjoy the fabulous flavors of this bread. A little bit of extra flour to dust your surface. So we're just going to get this so that it's not a sticky mass. The secret is called laminating or layering. Get it into a long rectangle, and then we're going to do this. Up and over and up and over. Push it down. So 2 or 3 times of that process makes the dough rise so much better. And you can see now how beautiful that dough is. A little bit of olive oil. So you take this bubble side down, give it a good turn like that, turn it around. That's going to have a little rest now for about 45 minutes. And then when it rests, it's going to look like this. We're going to take that out of the bowl and we're going to go back to what we did. And then this is going to go back to bed for 30 minutes. And then it has risen again to double. This is our last rise. Give it a little glug of oil and push. Push it all the way to the edges, and then you're going to take fresh rosemary and you're going to scatter that all over. And then I'm taking these beautiful green olives and I'm just doing this. This is going to now rise for 30 more minutes. It will come up into the pan. It's going to go into the oven at 425 degrees. And so you just take it and tear it like so. I mean, you just want to dig in. Like, this is just too good to not eat.